This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Nassau County in northeastern Florida, Baker County in northeastern Florida, east central Columbia County, southeastern Charlton County in southeastern Georgia until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Taylor, or 19 miles southeast of Fargo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Callan, Taylor, McClenny, Glen St. Mary, Nassau Village, Ratliff, St. George, and Bryceville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida and southeastern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Baker, Columbia and Nassau, and Charlton, Georgia.